Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to insert a SIM card on iPhone 17. First of all, you need a SIM ejector pin which is given inside your mobile box. Now take out the SIM ejector pin from the box. After that, you will see a hole the left side of the mobile below the volume button. Now insert this pin into the hole and press it gently. Then the SIM slot will come out lightly. If not, press this pin a little harder. When the SIM slot come out a little, pull out the entire slot by hand. Friends, this is a single SIM slot. You can install only one nano SIM card, but you can use two SIM cards on your phone. One is the physical SIM and other is the eSIM. That means you can use two SIM simultaneously in your phone. Friends, after that, place your SIM card in the slot with the metallic side facing up. Make sure your SIM card is properly placed in the slot. Then keep the metallic side of the SIM upward and slowly insert into the mobile phone. After installing the SIM card, it will take some time to catch the network signal.